Did you know hiccups have a weird evolutionary tale? These pesky contractions are a reflex inherited from ancient amphibians, helping them gulp air through both their mouths and noses. Now let's slide into the world of zippers. Initially snubbed in 1851, the zipper's genius went unrecognized until it caught on in the 1920s, transforming today's clothing industry. Its mechanical elegance replaces thousands of fiddly buttons every day. These tidbits show how our mundane experiences hide fascinating histories and evolutionary tales.